How DeepSeek AI helped me create maps effortlessly. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. After that, search for DeepSeek AI. You can generate map details on your phone. However, to execute it, you will need a laptop. Open the DeepSeek AI application. Right now, you might not be able to create a new account. However, if you have already an account, then you can log in. Once you log in, you will need to provide some instructions. Type in create a map using this datasets, then type in whatever customization you would like to do. Just to show you guys, I'm gonna type in something random. You can type in population, what is it used for game or any other purposes. Also type in the area and also the kind of land you want. Once you have done that, then enter. Now it will take some time for DeepSeek to create a response, but once it does, then it will tell you all the steps that you need to take to create the map. As you can see, it says to use some kind of tools. It has mentioned the mapping tool such as GIS software, or you can use programming libraries like Python. It also has created the Python code. You simply need to copy the code and paste it on your VS Code. Once that is done, then your map will be created. So it is actually very easy to create a response by giving instructions. In the same way, you can also create other things. That's all for today. Thank you.